We are on the run today, so why don't you go ahead, check out today's video, and we'll talk later, okay? Have fun. And here we go. I've had to change the camera setting and the angle so we could get a good look at painting this horse. I'm probably not going to do a lot of talking because I gotta just pay attention to what I'm doing here, okay? This just takes time and patience, okay? You can't hurry. You can't hurry this part of the process. It won't be hurried. This paint's thick. Doggone close to the consistency of honey. And I'm not trying to draw a perfect horse. Just looking for the indication of a horse. And that's what we've got. Just the indication. And the feller that's leading it. Okay? Because when we see this at the proper angle and distance, it will become clear. It will become clear that that is what we have. And if I have to, I will go over it again and darken in any areas that might need darkening. Okay. And just a little bit of dark right down there at the feet. There we go. That's good enough for this time. Be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, leave a comment, and remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there you go. Tomorrow, we'll just do a little wrap up and get ready to start the next one, okay? See you then. Remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you.